else? Any questions?
Entonces nos dará tiempo a dar el recorrido circular de 3,7 kilómetros, ¿no? Que hay, pero
No, que va.
por lo que veo.
No, para eso hay que venir a caminarse, pero de otra excursión no, porque se tarda unas 2 horas mínimo.
Vale.
Bueno, señores, disfruten de la zona y nos vemos en el bus a las 12:40. Everyone, enjoy the area. See you back on the bus. 12:40.
Kommer du säkert då? Sehr gut, okay.
Ok. Mehr dazu brauchen
Oui, oui. Allez, c'est filmé, hein. Ok, c'est bon. Et là, on va aller là-bas. Ok, c'est bon.
So guys, we are going to walk first here. So we are here now. So beautiful, the mountain. It's the Volcano Mountain. The highest mountain here in Spain. Yes. And here the rock formation. So let's go there. Continue walking there in that stone. Because that's the famous one.
So guys, we have still enough time to explore the place. We're just going to walk. And you'll see the stone there. It's a lot of people now. Just walk very slow, very fast because we just have 40 minutes. And then we go. So nice.
So tignan ninyo gaano kaganda. Zoom natin. Yan. Tapos yung rock formation nila dito.
There's more snow on the other side than on this side.
Yes. Tingnan ninyo yung rock formation nila due to the eruption of the volcano and it forms like this. Yan. Ang ganda. Super nice. So daming tao. So daming tao sa sobrang ganda ng place na to. Ang daming gustong pumunta doon para makita nila yung rock formation ng volcano. I like that stone.
Ouais, du tchèque, du hongrois. I can go walk around people. Oh, there's a path.
See it's the formation of the volcano eruption here. The stone is beautiful. yung ano, formation ng volcano.
Okay, so we have the time to the second part also. It says about 40 minutes.
Hmm.
Go up here.
Yes, just right out, just from here.
Or here, it's true.
So guys, tignan ninyo. Heto yung formation ng volcano nung sumabog siya. Ayan. Ayan, tignan ninyo. Namalapitan. Ito yung remains ng volcano eruption dito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung dito. Color ng ano, ng bato. Tingnan ninyo yung kulay. Kakaiba siya. Guys, tingnan niyo yung kulay. Sampai sa taas.
Zrobiłeś? Ja zrobiłam chyba z 5 różnych ujęć.
Yes. And then,
Pour aller voir là-bas et puis essaye l'autre chemin aussi. On a le temps de faire le tour si tu
so nice. Volcano yan siya guys, lahat. Ayan. Okay. So that guys, tapos na tayo. This is the rock formation ng volcano. And then, papaba na tayo. Ito na kami sa kabilang side. Lalakad tayo. Nice. Super ganda. So guys, you see, yeah,
You see the way the lava is flowing. You see?
yes, it's shaped the stones here. And the shape is incredible. So, mabilisan lang tayo kasi malapit na yung oras natin. Tignan ninyo guys yung mga bato dito. It's red color. So, nakakapagod kasi yung taas. Yung pressure sa tenga, sakit. Yan. So guys, yan ang yan ang shape ng bato after the volcano erupted. So there you go. Nalibot na natin ang rock formation ng volcano. Dito tayo sa gitna ng volcano. Malapit sa volcano pala, nasa gitna. Ayan.
Go a bit further and come back.
No, let's go because I want to urinate. I want to find a
Time is
place. It's almost at 12:30.
Oh, it's 12:22, huh?
No, because I need to find a place to urinate.
Huh?
Let's go. So guys, we are done and we are going back to our bus. So tignan niyo yung mga ano dito, halaman dito. Puro ano siya, parang patay na. Ano yung formation ng rocks. Due to the volcano eruption, naging ganyan siya. So ayun, tara na, bye bye.
Yeah, but you can't.
So tingnan niyo guys, pag volcano pala ang sumasabog, ganito pala yung magiging ano niya, result niya. Yan. Yung shape ng ano ng bato dito natutunaw tapos nagiging ano siya, ganyang shape. So guys, ganito yung bato ng volcano, yung kulay ganyan. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung isa doon. So pabalik na tayo sa ano natin, sa bus natin kasi time to go na. Tapos na yung ano natin, visit natin dito. Ang daming tao, tingnan niyo. So we are going back. So yan ang mountain ng Taipei. The volcano mountain.
Podrán fijarse como el noroeste de la isla está especialmente lleno de conos, los años de actividad creciente, con diferentes tremores, terremotos que se fueron sintiendo cada vez más en el mundo. Los gases, los tremores, todo está controladísimo. Toda esta información que les digo es pública, la pueden ustedes consultar en el Instituto Geográfico Nacional, especialmente en el Instituto Volcanológico de Canarias. I usually recommend to do the same tour we've been doing today, same thing, but with the satellite view of Google Maps. You're going to see very well the shape of the caldera, the last eruptional state. Tenerife is particularly rich in volcanic cones. Last activity on this island was in that last eruption on Tenerife was in 1909. And the very last eruption on the Canary Islands was in 2021 on the island of La Palma. An eruption that took place after 2 years of an increasing activity of earth tremors, earthquakes in some cases. When is the next eruption going to be on Tenerife? I don't know. Experts say that maybe between 50 or 100 years there will be a new eruption on the island of Tenerife. Not necessarily Teide. The usual thing is to have a new volcano. But Teide is still one of the most monitorized volcanoes in the world. Any little change in gases, in minerals, in earth tremors, we will know. All this information is public. You have access to it on the Audi Canarian Volcanology. También con la nieve es un poco complicado a lo mejor verlo, pero si se fijan bien ahora a la derecha van a ver que hay diferentes colores, son diferentes momentos de coladas que no tienen vegetación de ningún tipo, serían las más recientes, una lava más fluida que otras zonas donde vemos piedra sobre piedra, que le dice mucha gente, que son lavas mucho más viscosas. Es en definitiva un museo al aire libre para ver cómo se forman las islas volcánicas. If you have a good look to the right, you can see different colors in the lava flow. Some of them paler with vegetation of them, some others a bit darker with no area. At the end, this national park is an open-air museum to see how volcanic islands are formed. That starts on the left hand side. El sendero que van a ver es el de Montaña Blanca, que es el que cogemos cuando queremos ir caminando. This path on the left is the one that leads you to the summit of Teide, so without the cable car. Cualquier sendero desde esta carretera hacia el pico y desde el pico hacia la carretera necesita hoy en día un permiso, por seguridad principalmente. Una de las cosas que intentamos hacer, al menos 1.000 metros de altura, y luego despertarnos cuando todavía es oscuro para caminar hasta el pico y ver amanecer desde el cráter. Es una actividad que hay que hacer con mucho tiempo de antelación, planificar con mucho tiempo de antelación por el tema de los permisos. Ahora mismo el refugio está cerrado, pero so that's the path that leads you to the summit of Teide. One of the things we try to do at least once in our lives is something that you will need to plan months in advance because you need a permit. Any of the paths from the road to the peak and from the peak to the road need a permit. So you need to arrange these months in advance. What we do is to walk up Teide in the summer, in the evening, we reach a shelter city. Then some optimistic people try to walk down, but great part of the people will buy the cable car to come down. Digo, yo creo, como estaba hablando con alguno antes por ahí, que quizás mayo, septiembre, octubre, por el clima también, es de los mejores meses. Yeah, maybe September or October.
And on the same website you can book that accommodation as well.
Yes. But if you know already that you're going to come maybe next September, might not be able to do it because they don't open, let's say, the permits, a special permit, whatever you want to do, how to do it.